So hey guys, welcome back to Hassan SSC Wala. This is day 4, day 5 revision series 24 7th and 28th of November for idioms and phrases. The source of information is taken from page number 239 of Ultimate English Vocabulary by Sanu Rawat at the 24/7 ebook. So this is for day 4 revision series idioms and phrases and it is based on food. The first word is piece of cake. A piece of cake means an easy task. Piece of cake. The second word for idioms and phrases is spill the beast. Spill the beast means reveal a secret. Spill the beast.
Hello,
The third word is full of beans. The second word is second idiom is spill the beast. Spill means spilling, spoiling something. Means secret को spoil कर देना, एक secret को reveal कर देना. The third idiom is full of beans. Full of beans means full of beans. Energy and enthusiasm. Energy and enthusiasm. The fourth word is bring home the bacon. Bring home the bacon means financial support to one's family. Financial support to one's family. Bring home the bacon. Home. Home means family. Bring home the bacon. Bacon. Bacon family support. Family support to one's family. Financial support. The fifth idiom is like two peas in a pod. Means two relatable person. Two peas in a pod. A pod contains peas only. Means two relatable person, and the two peas are always similar to each other. So two relatable person. And it is denoting to person. Bread and butter. With the livelihood for a livelihood income. The main source of income. The seventh idiom is cool as a cucumber. Cool. Cool means calm and composed. In difficult, stressful situation. Difficult, stressful situation में cool and composed. Number 8 idiom is sour grapes. Means ना खुशी दिखाना. Sour grapes means ना खुशी दिखाना. Means presenting something as remorseful. So sour grapes means disparaging something that one cannot have. मतलब वो लंगूर और अंगूर का कहानी तो सुना ही होंगे. फॉक्स एंड ग्रेप्स जिसमें फॉक्स को ग्रेप्स लास्ट में नहीं मिलता तो कहता है अंगूर खट्टे हैं. तो उसी में disparaging something that one cannot have. So next idiom is big cheese. The meaning of big cheese is high authority person. The word big resembles high authority. Cheese is something, means person. The last idiom and phrase of day 4 is take something with a grain out of salt. मतलब take something मतलब कुछ. Partial trust. Take something means partial. Out of full salt, taking a piece of grain means trusting partially. The salt resembles to trust. Partial trust. For day 5 idiom and phrase are based on apple. First idiom is apple of discord. Discord means conflict, means intensifying the conflict among people. Apple of discord. Apple pie order, something in neat order systematic manner. Apple of one's eye, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना आंखों का तारा, तो वही means cherished and loved person, usually one's favorite. Comparing apple and oranges. Apple and oranges are two contrasting different things. So comparing those two things, comparing two different things. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. What is Adam's apple? Protrusion in the male's neck. This one. In the male's neck there is a protrusion. This is laryngeal prominence, and this is called Adam's apple. Adam's apple. Bad apple. Bad apple is bad means negative problematic thing influencing group of or situation. A group और सिचुएशन को एक नेगेटिव थिंग अगर इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, नेगेटिव प्रॉब्लमेटिक थिंग इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, तो वो एक बैड एप्पल है। एक बैड एप्पल अगर इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है तो बैड एप्पल इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है। अगर सब बैड एप्पल खा रहे हैं तो नेगेटिव थिंग इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं, हो रहा है वहाँ पे। एप्पल डज नॉट फॉल फार फ्रॉम द ट्री, मतलब एक एप्पल पेड़ के पास ही गिरता है। इसका मतलब चाइल्ड रिजेंबल टू द पेरेंट, मतलब चाइल्ड मतलब ट्री इज़ पेरेंट एंड एप्पल इज़ चाइल्ड, मीन्स चाइल्ड एंड पेरेंट are at the same place, means they resemble each other. Thank you.